Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your API key in HubSpot. Quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser, go to HubSpot.com and hit enter. On the home page, click Login in the top right. Then enter your email and password. If you've forgotten them, recover your credentials before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. In the top right, click the gear icon to open settings. On the left-hand menu, scroll to Integrations and select it. Next, click Private Apps. This is where you manage API keys and tokens for your apps. Locate the View Access Token option and click it. Your API key will appear. Click Copy to save it to your clipboard. Remember, API keys are sensitive. Only share them with trusted users and never post them publicly. And that's it. You've successfully found and copied your HubSpot API key. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.